How to add cookies pop-up in Wix website. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the cookies pop-up in Wix website. So probably you have go into a website and there is a message at the bottom that says please accept our policy about the usage of cookies and so on. So that's what we're gonna learn today. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. You can find the Wix sign up links and website links in the description of this video if you need it. So here, the first thing that we need to do is go into our Wix dashboard, okay? So this is the dashboard, and now here in the left panel we have the settings, and now the options, privacy and cookies. So as you can see, the first option is to display a cookie consent banner. So I'm going to click in get started. And now the first option, display cookie banner on site, I must activate this in order to get into some other options, okay? So this is how gonna looks by now. You can select 3 different options from the banner color theme, the dark, light option, or customize. So you can click here and select a different color if you need it. A second color of the button in this case. Yes, this button. The font too, you can change the font, the size of the words. The button styles, it could be a square or with rounded corners or round. I'm not sure if this is changed that. I'm gonna leave it round. And the consent button text, so you can just write here if you want it, the setting button text. So let me see. And the privacy policy link text. I'm not gonna change this. Also, you can add a decline all button. Nope. And add a cookie settings widget to all pages. I'm not sure if this is gonna be useful, because if you accept this usage of cookies, this is gonna be for all your website, not the page. So, but I don't know, if you want to add it, you are in your right. And the text that is gonna appear here, we use cookies on our website to see, okay? So you can change it too. Please. I'm gonna let it like this. Okay, here in the privacy policy, we must add a link to your privacy policy from your site's cookie consent banner. Probably you have that into your website, so there's gonna be a page on my site. And by now I don't have that, but let's suppose this is about, I don't know. Or you can use the external web address URL. And if you have doubts with this, I recommend you to click here in learn more. So this is gonna help you to make and see an example of what you need to make your privacy policy and so much. You can review your cookie policy requirements. So this is important because you must check this in order to continue. I'm going to let it like this by now. And add some other advanced options. If you want to do that, you must click here, and you can customize the cookie categories text, and you can renew your visitor content if you need it. By now, I'm not going to make this. I'm just going to save and publish all these settings that I've done. And now my cookie banner is published. So I'm going into my live site in order to check how it's done. And as you can see, the text have changed. There is my link of privacy policy, the settings of the cookies, if I want to deny it or if I want to accept it. And that's it. And as I told you before, if I go into a different part of my website, I'm not going to have the message again, because usually when you accept the cookies, it's for all your website. And that's it. Obviously, you can change these options whatever you want. and no more. That's how you can add the cookies pop-up in Wix website. Thanks for watching.